Well, and we're going to have some interesting weather to contend with this weekend as you plan for all those other things.
Right. The indoor events, definitely the way to go. Sarah, you look fantastic, and she is modeling for you this evening exactly the type of fashions that'll keep you comfortable and dry.
Yeah.
As long as you're inside.
Maybe long sleeves are necessary.
As long as you're inside.
She's good. We planned all that.
When you're inside, you got no problem. That's why we gave you all those inside things to do. But outside, let's talk about that, because that's where the action's going to be. Rain for tomorrow. Lots of it. Breezy conditions in the morning, windy conditions in the afternoon. That southerly wind on the lake going to be a big problem. 3 to 5 footers expected, and temperatures are going to be in the 50s. We will start near 50 and take it up towards 60 as we go through the afternoon. Now, I know a lot of people are like, all right, how much rain is coming really? Well, keep an eye on not just this rain, but all of this rain too. That's the extent of this system. We have a lot of rain that is going to be moving toward northern Ohio. The good news is a cold front is coming from the south. That should help to cut it off earlier rather than later, but in the meantime, we still have the potential for not just rain, but even rumbles to move through. Through the overnight, we will have that rain coming through. You're going to hear it outside, and if your kids wake up at rumbles of thunder, that's a possibility tonight, so you may need to be advised of that. Morning temperatures upper 40s to near 50. Periods of rain, pockets of heavy rain a possibility. That continues not just early morning through mid-morning into the noon hour. And look how these temperatures really start to rise once we get into the afternoon. There's a little peak of warmth that's going to move right across northern Ohio, and the winds are going to be kicking. So we have winds out of the southeast as we move through mid-afternoon. Look at these temperatures up around the 60-degree mark. At times we may get some breaks in the rain action, but then we'll have more coming in. And tomorrow evening we have the possibility for some thunderstorms to move through. Look at these winds sustained at 19 miles per hour. By 9 p.m., between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m., that's when the front moves through. So I showed you 60 at 6. 45 by 9. That's a huge drop in temperatures. We're going to have very gusty winds, and that's that possibility of the thunderstorms coming through too. You can see that exiting out toward the state line area. I reviewed this before. We're looking 1 to 3 inches, a widespread area here, and hopefully most of us will be about 2 inches or so, but there is that possibility to go over 2 inches across the area too. Now, as this big transition is taking place, wind is going to be a problem. There's a wind advisory issued for most of northern Ohio. I think the highest wind gusts will be along the lakeshore, at least the gusts that are not associated with the thunderstorms. We'll pick up the hour by hour at 9 o'clock in the evening on Saturday. This is right where we left off. We may have some snow mixing in, especially west by the midnight hour, but then really the bulk of the rain and snow will be moving out. But that's when the lake gets into the action. Temperatures are going to be in the low to mid 30s through most of the day on Sunday, but keep in mind with those winds howling, the wind chills will be in the 20s. So great day to be inside, but look at these lake snow bands, not just in the primary, but also in the secondary. The key here is the temperature. Temperatures are going to be warm enough. We're not looking for fluffy, pretty snow. This isn't going to add up to a whole lot, but it will be nuisance snow, and we could have a coating on the ground in most of the primary snow belt areas, but in that heart of the primary snow, about 1 to 3 inches will be a possibility. It'll be a wet snow at that. So just be advised if you have any traveling plans around town on Sunday, you're going to be running into that. Browns. 58 to 60 on Saturday, and then Sunday, 37 snow showers. That all gets out of here on Monday. Tuesday, partly cloudy, 50. Big travel day Wednesday, no problems in your Universal Windows Direct forecast. And for Turkey Day, with our Peekaboo Turkey, 42 and partly cloudy. Back to you guys.
Nuisance snow. Like that, Betsy. Thanks.